I'd like to introduce you to what's known as Malpighia coccigera. The irony is it's from the Caribbean, not from China. This is a plant often used as a hedging plant because the fresh new leaves are this beautiful, light, shiny, glossy green leaves which mature to a darker green. The flowers are absolutely gorgeous, little tiny crepe-like soft pink flowers with a yellow center. Stunning, and it appears in late summer into the autumn period, when most other things don't flower, they're finished. So the timing is perfect. It's often used as a hedging screening plant, but in effect, it's a tree reaching significant proportions. But again, it can be clipped, such as here. In this case, it's at the Nusa Botanic Gardens. It makes a wonderful screening, small hedge plant, and if maintained and clipped, it would make the perfect substitute for a Buxus plant. I love the new growth. The color is bright and brilliant and shiny. It's a very happy green color. I know that's weird, but that's what it reminds me of, a joyful burst of growth. And then these pink flowers just give it another old world charm. I think you'll find this in most of the really old-fashioned gardens. Not too common in the new gardens, but I think it is worth it. The leaves are a little bit scratchy, and I think that's fine. That will really help in creating a bit of a border to stop people walking through. And that textural element, again, is brought into the garden. But I think if you grow it really well, you grow it as a tight-growing shrub, a hedge, and you allow it to flower at this time of the year, you really will appreciate this particular plant. Again, it is Malpighia coccigera, and I'll put the botanical name at the bottom of the screen and also in the description notes. And I would say if you're looking for something a little bit different, search for this particular plant. And that's your garden tip for today with Paul Plant Horticulture.